Happy Monday, everybody. We are set for day 7 of 365 days of style. So today I am legit sporty. Today my marketing team is hopping over here and we're going to be doing a day of brainstorming and meetings, and we really want to be comfortable. So we also probably will take a walk later just to get our brains fresh again. So I'm going sporty with it. I have on a great pair of leggings. They have just a little detail to them, but nothing much really. I'm actually wearing a pair of kind of a little bit fancier little Nike sneaks. They have a little gold tone touch to them, which I think is really fun. And then a zip up, really easy. I like the length on this one because it covers my tush a bit, and it's just really easy to go ahead and move around in. You might be wondering though, why do I have on a fabulous red lip? Well, we've got some client meetings that are going to be online, and so I just really wanted to look like I am put together and professional from here on up for those meetings, and so I add a little lipstick. Women in your midlife, you definitely can rock a great pair of leggings. If you like something down to the knee with a legging, go ahead and do that. They're super comfortable. I'd hate for you to miss out on them just because you're worried about how to put them together for your own comfort level. Go ahead and explore the options because you'll be so happy that you did. There we go for day 7 of 365 days of style. I hope your week is going to be fantastic. Happy Monday.